Hi, a happy magnetic day. I am Alfredo Istose, they call me. I am from Amega, Iloilo. I'm really thankful and I'm very grateful to this company because I've been, for 15 years, I am an energy healer because I am into alternative medicine. So most of my patients who has chronic diseases, I used to bring them to the high places like the place there in Iloilo, Leon, Igbaras, high places which has high magnetic field, and also the place would exude negative ions. But now I'm really thankful because most of my patients were benefited with this bracelet. But before that, I was really happy because before, because I believe in the power of the energy, the magnetic energy, because I'm an energy healer. So I started it out with my family. You know what? I am now very loved with my father because my father is very hard to let him believe about the supplements, alternative medicine, because he is independent in anti-hypertensive drugs. But now he really loved me because most of men who ages 50 years up has dysfunctional erectile dysfunction. Okay, so my father, after wearing this bracelet after a week, he really loved me because he did not take any more Viagra or whatever drugs that would perk up the energy. And now I'm moving on because I'm being supported with my family, my mother, my father, and all of my family, my wife, and all my relatives are now wearing this bracelet because it is not only that I could vouch on the effect because although that I am an energy healer, because my specialty is on pain management, the chronic pain in the back, neck, whatever pain in the body. Now my patients are easily diagnosed and they are easily healed and cured because of the help of the magnetic therapy with the infrared. It's really amazing, and it's my pride to be the Amegan of Iloilo. Thank you very much.